All right, we back. We back with TOPPS Series 2 Blaster Box Baseball. Here we go. And that is what we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get the 70th anniversary patch, my manufactured relic, and there's the guys that you can get in that if you want to pause that. This is my first look at this because I haven't been able to find any. Go to the store today, and that thing jumped out of my hand. Go to the store today, and I get to looking around, and there's nothing on the shelves. The shelves are bare. And so what I do is I get to moving stuff around because sometimes you gotta hide stuff, you know. So hey, I get to moving stuff around, and sure enough, somebody has hid this box of 2021. So it sucks to be you, whoever hid it. But here we go. Let's see what we can pull out of here. Right there. Here's gonna be the fat pack right here. We'll put it to the side. We're gonna jump right in this. Series 2, TOPPS Baseball. Make sure I can get my cards looking right. Turn that down. All right. Cameron, Ricky. All right, so this cat was upside down. Are they turning the short prints upside down again? 23, 23, 23, 23. No. All right, I don't know why that was upside down. Red Keller. Michael Brantley. There's your blue. Nolan Arenado. Matt Foster. Cool. Second pack. Jose Garcia. Sam Huff, rookie. Wade Miley. Matt Carpenter. Eloy. Is it on my hand? Sweet. Zach. Pack number 3. All right, I seen some flashy on this one. Castro. Noah Syndergaard. I'm a big Syndergaard fan. I wish I'd stopped that. There he is. Tony Watson. Look at there. Bo. That's sweet right there. JoJo. Chris Davis. Where is my Aaron Judge? I need Aaron Judge. Hayes. Alec Mills. Christian Yelich. That's pretty sweet. There he is. That's pretty sweet right there. There's my guy. Big Judge. Looking for that normal base Judge. That's what I gotta find, that normal base Judge. Dustin May. Ken Gills. Ryan McMahon. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ah. Thought we had an auto. And it's numbered to 2021. Brian Reynolds. There he is right there. What is this? Twins up the middle. The Reds, the Royals, and the Braves with the Ozzy Obbies. Oh, Obbies. Here we go. Billy Hamilton, Austin Barnes, Chris Sale with the All-Star. There's Eloy again. New York Mets, Dodgers, champions. Dodgers celebrate World Series title. Shoot, yeah. All right, Alejandro. Here we go. Oh, it's a big boy. I didn't realize those manufactured relics was that big. I should have, I reckon. Every one of my got's that big. Alex Cobb. Cal Redmond. There he is. Looks like that corner's jacked up. It ain't, it just looks that way. Ian Anderson. And that's it. Series 2, Topps Baseball. That's our numbered card right there. Get on out. Get yourself some.